Hi everyone, welcome to another YesStyle unboxing video. This one is going to focus on skincare, and there are some gems that I have been using in the past few weeks that I really want to share with you. If you're not familiar, YesStyle is an online retailer of Korean and Asian skincare and also things like beauty and accessories, but I use YesStyle most for skincare and to access Korean beauty that is otherwise really hard to find and to be able to purchase if you don't actually live in an Asian country. They have very affordable prices and they have sales on items all of the time too. So I'm going to show you a set of new skincare that I received. I'll put a link to all of the products that I show you in the description box below, as well as a discount code that I do have for viewers if you are shopping there. Thank you for subscribing to the channel by hitting that red subscribe button. You can also follow Allura Beauty on Instagram, and if you missed my latest video, then I'll link that in the upper right hand corner for you to check out. This look that I created was actually using a bunch of makeup products from Manna Kadar, and the reason I was able to use them was because of this box, which is the AIA Beauty Bundle. So if you want to see this unboxing and watch me apply a bunch of makeup products from this box, then I will link that video also for you in the upper right hand corner for you to check out. All right, so I guess I'll go sort of in the order of how I use these products. I haven't used all of them and I'll tell you why, but the first one is going to be this product, which I have really enjoyed using. This is what the original box looks like. It is a fig cleansing balm from the company I'm From. This is what the jar itself looks like. You open it up like with most cleansing balms. They do include a spatula for you, and that's what the balm inside looks like. There is fragrance as the very last ingredient in this, and you do pick up a scent, although it's pretty mild compared to a lot of cleansing balms that I have used. But as the name suggests, the main driving force of this product are a couple of fig-based ingredients. The second ingredient is fig fruit extract. It also includes turmeric root extract in here. Fig fruit extract is a plant extract that is actually really good for your skin. It is a pretty potent antioxidant, and this does a very good job of breaking down the makeup and then cleansing off. So I have really been enjoying using this as my standard cleansing balm. I'll move on to the next steps. This box seemed to have several products concentrated on chemical exfoliant type of ingredients. So I'll share two of these with you that I didn't really test out because they contained some ingredients that I don't like to put on my skin. So this one is the Rovectin Clean. I don't know how you pronounce this. Rovectin Clean. This is the LHA Blemish Ampule. It comes in a green bottle like this, green dropper bottle, so it looks very cool. The reason I kind of hesitated on this one is because the product contains, the first ingredient is bitter orange flower water. Now, bitter orange flower extract and the oil, I would absolutely say, oh my gosh, that is not something, especially as the first ingredient, that you should be putting on your skin. The water form is going to be much more diluted, so I don't necessarily have a big problem with that. It does contain some really nice ingredients like niacinamide, sodium hyaluronate, hyaluronic acid. It also contains in the middle of the ingredients list salicylic acid, aloe leaf extract, glycerin, urea. So this is actually chock full of pretty good ingredients, but because I have so many good BHA-based products already, the last ingredient is also alcohol, which we won't get into that, but you know, the first ingredient being that bitter orange flower water, and then the last ingredient being alcohol, plus I have so many great BHA products. I don't think that this is necessarily a bad product, but I didn't want to use it myself so that I could include it in some giveaways. This product is by the company Syoris. This is their Bring the Light Serum. Comes in really cool packaging like this, and you twist up and then you get the product into the dropper by pressing down on the top. And it says this is formulated with broccoli, oatmeal, local superfood ingredients for intense hydration. It has hyaluronic acid in it, panthenol, and again has other great things like it mentions the broccoli extract or oat kernel extract, niacinamide, glycerin, hyaluronic acid, grapeseed oil. But once again, even though this seems like a pretty good product, I don't necessarily think that it is a bad product, but towards the end of the ingredients, it lists things like the citrus, the orange peel oil, there's some other bark oils. So just having a little presence of that, again, just because I have so much other skincare already and I would prefer to kind of avoid those ingredients, I'm gonna include this in a giveaway instead of me just testing it out once or twice and then moving on to the other products that I have. A product that I have been using and testing out is by Be Plain. This is their BHA Peeling Ampule for exfoliation and oil control. This is the box that it comes in. The very first ingredient in this product is Camellia sinensis leaf water. That's 80% of what's in here, which is great. And it also contains some chamomile, which is nice for soothing. It also contains, like it says, salicylic acid, although that's past the halfway point in here, so I don't know exactly how much salicylic acid is actually in here, but this has a not quite a gel, but not just a straight water formulation. It's like that in-between space that a lot of Korean skincare has, and it goes on really easily, almost like water, and brings some nice hydration into the skin before the rest of your skincare steps. And because there's no alcohol or fragrant ingredients in here, that's why I have been testing this out. The next thing that was in the box is by Mizone. This is their Pure Pearl, that's hard to say, Pure Pearl eye gel patches. So this is what the packaging looks like. So you get a whole set of them kind of suspended. Oh, I can't really show you, but I can just tell you, you're gonna get a whole set of eye patches like in a gel texture, and then they are going to be covered with kind of this like thicker gel formula. Once again, I don't want to open it up or use it because I want to include it in a giveaway. It starts out with super hydrating ingredients like water and glycerin and niacinamide, carrageenan extract. Those are the first ingredients in here. Way at the end of the ingredients, there is some perfume that has been added. So that is why I'm deciding, instead of me just using it once to test it out, someone else who doesn't have a preference against fragrance can appreciate the full thing. And last up, I want to share with you that YesStyle was kind enough to send along are these two sunscreens. They are from Purito. One of my other all-time favorite sunscreens, the Comfy Water Block, is also from Purito. Excellent. These are both the Centella Green Level Safe Sun Sunscreen. This one with the more green outside is a scented version. It has fragrance in the form of some lavender oil, more towards the end of the ingredients list. And then this more empty spaced one is the unscented version. Both of them have an SPF of 50+. And in addition, PA++++, which ensures that you get adequate or really good UVA protection, not just UVB protection. So obviously I prefer to not put the lavender oil based one all over my face. I'm going to still use this, but more on the hands. I'll probably put it in the car for my hands and put it on the tops of my feet for when I'm wearing flip-flops and my feet are exposed to the sun. So this is what the fragranced version looks like in terms of the tube. This is what the unfragranced version looks like. And you can see in this footage that I'm inserting here, me applying the unscented version to my face. It has a hybrid kind of gel-like texture. It doesn't feel like the traditional lotion-based, more heavy sunscreens. It smooths across the skin super easily. It doesn't leave a white cast behind. It doesn't feel greasy or heavy or leave some shininess, shiny sheen behind. So I love the way that most Korean sunscreens are formulated. They are so far superior in terms of ingredients and UVA protection than the sunscreens that we have in the United States. So that is one of the best reasons, the top reasons why I shop at YesStyle and I want to access the things that YesStyle has, because those are things that you otherwise just can't get by going to your local Walmart or Target or drugstore. So those are some of my new kind of hits or misses or passes for the skincare products from YesStyle. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. As always, I appreciate you watching and coming and looking at these products with me, and I'll see you in the next video.